Hey everyone, my name's Kirsten. I'm the Technical Educator Intern here at Web3 Foundation. And today we're going to be exploring what are proxies, why you should use them, and how you can set one up yourself. Alright, so what are proxies? To understand the purpose of proxies, let's first take a look at an example. Let's say that you're the president of some country and you have different ministers. You, as president, have power over your ministers, and your ministers can act on behalf of the president with the roles they each have. In this case, proxies are similar to ministers. Think of proxies as various accounts that hold some token amount and that have specific roles. So for example, you can proxy your voting rights to a governance proxy and vote on behalf of the tokens of the president, or in this case, the user primary account, without exposing that account to the network. For the different types of proxy accounts to choose from, there's governance, non-transfer, and staking. All right, and why should you consider adding in a proxy? By having specific proxies with different roles, your account funds aren't being held in one place, but rather in smaller, safer places that they can be used in. And this adds a level of, or a layer of security and organization to your accounts and account funds. All right, and now we're going to go through an example of how to set up a proxy. The first thing that you want to do is head to this site, polkadot.js.org/apps. Currently, I'm on the accounts page, and to get here, you go underneath accounts and click on the accounts button. And on this page, I can see all of my accounts that I've created. I can see the balances for each one. I can see the types. There's lots of functionality on this page, but this is a great place to start if you haven't made an account yet. Also note that I am currently on the Kusama network, but you can be on whichever network you'd like. All right, and from here, we're going to go underneath developer and head to extrinsics. All right, and so on this page, we'll be setting up our proxy. So here I can select whichever account I want to set the proxy on. I'm just going to choose this one. Here we have all of the palettes, and I'm going to go ahead and choose the proxy palette. And on the right here, we can see all of the functions that are inside of the proxy palette. So there's an add proxy function, which adds a proxy. There's remove proxies, which removes a proxy. There's an anonymous proxy, which is a whole separate type of proxy. There's more information on that in another video and on the Polkadot wiki. But for now, we're just going to add a proxy. We're going to go over here to proxy type, and we can see the different proxy types that we can choose from. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose staking and submit transaction, type in my password, and then from here I would hit sign and submit, and that's how you would add a proxy onto your account. I won't add one to this account though, but for the purpose of this example, this is the place where you would go to add your proxies from. And I hope that you've learned a little bit about proxies from this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.